Hi Ray. I've been on the website and I updated some plugins and I accidentally updated Slider Revolution modified plugin on the staging site. So here's the staging site, and it seems to have fixed the glitch on Chrome that I was telling you about. So if I go to demo and let's say Fraser Island, and there we go. So it's come up. If I go to the live site, go to demo, I haven't pushed it to live, and I click Fraser Island, and there we go, disappeared. Now so it seems to have fixed the problem, but it's introduced another problem that there seems to be a gap now here that wasn't there before. These were sort of more together, and the font, this font, is artificially bold. So while it's fixed one issue, it's created another. But it might be easier for you to diagnose this issue than the text disappearing issue on Chrome. I do have an SEO guy on the staging site at the moment, so it makes it difficult for me to go back. But we might be able to do something like that. But I just thought that maybe with this, with the staging site the way it is, with the glitch fixed, and I'll leave the live site as it was for the time being. Maybe you could have a look at that, and maybe that might help you fix this problem. So yeah, over to you. Okay, thanks Ray, cheers.